Watts was founded on a simple premise: the water we use every day should be delivered safely and reliably. From our earliest days manufacturing steam pressure regulators to protecting the public from the explosive dangers of hot water supply tanks with temperature and pressure relief valves, to educating communities on the need for backflow prevention, to leading the way in lead-free manufacturing. Safety has always been at the core of what we do. Today, we're aligning that need to protect with the global need to conserve and building innovative water solutions that keep our customers safe while helping them live more sustainably. We're creating innovative products and smart solutions to protect, control, and conserve critical resources by increasing operability, efficiency, and safety. Our aim is to deliver powerful water, energy, and cost-saving solutions to our customers and the communities they serve. We commit to minimizing the environmental impact of our global operations and supply chain. We're implementing a people-first approach that extends not only through our employees, but through our communities both nationally and globally. We do all we can to enable the innovation, development, and manufacturing of water technologies that protect our natural resources and keep people safe. Every day, we demonstrate the value we place in safety, and it's reflected in our technologies and solutions, as well as our social and environmental commitments. Watts believes a safer world is a more sustainable world.